Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In today's session, we're going to talk about semi-folding. Semi-folding is a view between folded and unfolded of a thing. Let's see an example and understand how this mechanism works. First, let's create an object. This object, currently as it has no refinees, is just it is folded. If I will unfold it, and OPCloud will automatically create 3 sub-objects that connect with the consist of a link, it is now unfolded. This diagram, this OPD, is the unfolded view of object 1. If I will go back to system diagram, we can see that object 1 is in its folded view, meaning it has a bold contour around it, which indicates it is somewhere else refined. We can now know that this is the folded view and this is the unfolded view. Now, what happens if, for example, we want to see the parts but not load our diagram with a lot of extra objects and things that will cloud our understanding and view of the diagram? For that, we can use the semi-folded view, which will give us more data about the object's parts, but on the other hand, will not overcrowd our diagram. To do so, we will select object 1, and we can see the semi-folded view. We will click on it, and we can see that now object 1 has its 3 parts inside it in a compact view. So from one hand, we can see the parts' names and details, and on the other hand, it is in the compact view. We can use it to do several things. We can take out in order to elaborate on that part. Double-clicking will take it out. So you can see object 3 is now taken out. We can see also that if we have a link and not all its parts are visible, we'll have a small number indicating how many parts are missing from that specific link visually. It is also implemented in the OPL, as we can see that object 1 consists of object 3 and 2 more parts, which currently we can see as a semi-folded view. In order to bring it back inside object 1 to the semi-folded view, we'll hover over the link and click on the icon to take it inside. We can also use this view to connect directly the object and the sub-object into another things like a process. If I will create another process, go to the triangle, left click on the mouse and drag a link into it, I can now directly connect a link from object 3 into the process. For example, we can use it as an instrument. Later on, I can take out an object and create a direct link into it. For example, the result. If I will bring it back, the link will automatically be diverted inside the semi-folded view. Let's see how it looks in a real model example. For example, our OnStar example. Here in the OnStar, we can see that I'm currently in the system diagram 1, the OPD1, of the driver rescuing INSU. I can see that the OnStar system has several parts. In this diagram, they are elaborated and we can see them all. If we go to the system diagram, I remove them to have a more compact and lean view. Now, what happens if I do want to see those parts, but I don't want to crowd my diagram and I don't want just to put them here to a visual display without any connection? For that, I will use the semi-folded view. I will select the OnStar system, click on the semi-fold. And now I have my OnStar system, its parts that are currently not in the diagram, but on system diagram 1. And I can also use them, if I would like, with the driver rescuing process. Currently, I don't need so I would just leave it as that. Thank you.